What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this BMW 3 Series remote key fob. This BMW 3 Series key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on. Press that button down and then that key will pull out like that. You can just set that to the side. Now for holding the key fob with the buttons facing down, what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to come down here on the bottom. I'm going to pop this back cover off right here. You can see there's this notch right here that the screwdriver will fit in. And then just pry up, and that back cover will come up like that. We see our battery right here. You can just turn this over, kind of dump it out. Then we'll grab the new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new replacement battery with the plus side up like that. Get it in that holder, and then we'll snap this back cover on. Make sure that cover's all the way snapped on. And then I'll slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.